how to run a ALV or ABAP report as a UI5 application. So here's an example. The billing due list. This is a standard ALV report from SAP. Here you can see that we are generating dynamically the selection screen in a UI5 responsive application with all the search helps, selection screen variants, as well as all the options that come directly from the ALV report. This is done dynamically so that if the report is changed, automatically the UI5 application will reflect that. Upon execution of the report, you have the capabilities of sorting, grouping, and filtering of the output of the ALV. Here's an example. Now I filtered based on the column content. I can also group, as you can see, grouping by the sales organization, and also clearing the output and filtering. I can also change the visibility of the columns, load ALV layouts that come directly from the backend, and also load the report on the selection screen using variants. These variants are saved directly on the backend. This is all powered by the API factory. So how does this set up? On the card configuration, on the action, you have an action called ABAP report. You just have to simply say which report you want to execute and which variant of the report you want. You can also embed the output of the report as an integration card.